With fog, then we have rain, snow, and really strong winds in the forecast, all in the next 12 to 18 hours.
Look at these shots here.
Exactly. These are 4 different spots across southeastern Wisconsin. We've got Delavan, Milwaukee, Pewaukee, Brookfield. It is foggy everywhere. Visibility across a lot of southeastern Wisconsin is down to 1/4 mile this morning, which will impact drivers. Keep your headlights on. Take it slow if you're out and about. That's the first advisory. The second advisory is a winter weather advisory that goes into effect at 6 o'clock this evening for Waukesha, Jefferson, Dodge, Washington, Ozaukee, Sheboygan, and Fond du Lac counties, with snow expected, as well as temperatures falling really, really rapidly. So underneath the layer of snow that we'll have across the area by noon tomorrow, we could have some black ice and slick, icy conditions. This is our current snowfall forecast. We have updated it this morning. I've already been chatting with the entire Weather Watch 12 team. 1 to 3 inches of snow, now looking a lot more likely with a slight shift south with this storm system overnight. 3 to 6 inches farther northwest. There will be other parts of the state that see even more snow than that. Let's talk about impacts. Low to moderate snow impacts. I need to update that. Most of us seeing 1 to 3 inches of snow now, with some 3-inch and higher totals across our northern counties. But because there is a flash freeze chance, I do think roads will be slick and icy overnight tonight and through your Monday morning. On top of that, we'll have wind gusts as high as 50 to 55 miles per hour, which is going to make it tough for crews to keep roads clear as this system rolls through and even afterwards tomorrow. Here's radar. Rain is moving in right now. This is just the beginning. It's light to steady rain that we can expect as we head through the morning. Some of the heaviest probably between about 10 and 1 o'clock. There's the low pressure system that's bringing this whole mess into southeastern Wisconsin and across the state. You can see really heavy snow and very strong winds across the northwest part of the state later this afternoon. After 5 o'clock, we see a transition from rain to snow. We may get a little bit of dry time, but quickly snow will move in across southeastern Wisconsin. It sticks around through your Monday morning commute. Tomorrow afternoon will be dry, but we're going to stay very windy with that low not too far away. So the wind advisory that's in effect stays in effect until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Then there is a chance that we could see a few flurries as we head towards Tuesday. Here's the bottom line for your Sunday. Fog and drizzle this morning, then the rain will move in, and rain sticks around through most of the day, with temperatures right now and through the entire day hanging out in the 40s. Our wind advisory goes into effect at 6. Our winter weather advisory goes into effect at 6. After 6, really between 6 and 9, that's when the temperatures plummet, and that's when we'll see a transition from rain to snow. Those temperatures will fall fast, 20 degrees in about 12 hours. Rain chances, 2 snow chances after 6 o'clock. But because the temperatures fall so fast, I do think we could see some flash freezing. I do think most of us have snow-covered roads by this time tomorrow. And on top of that, we'll have blowing snow with winds up to about 55 miles per hour. Rain between now and 6. Then we see the transition between 10 o'clock and noon Monday. It's all snow, light to moderate at times, and the blowing snow will impact visibility. So travel is going to be possible tomorrow, but it is not going to be fun. If you can stay home on Monday, I think it's a pretty good plan. 45 degrees for high temperature today. Much colder tomorrow. Temperatures close to 24 with winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. That means wind chills in the single digits for your Monday. A few days in the 20s, but we're going to kick off 2026 in the teens for Thursday and Friday, a high just near 18. So buckle up. We got a lot going on weather-wise the next 48 hours.
All right.